Welcome back to Manifest Mastery with Suenyo Reads, a gentle space where your dreams begin to take shape. In episodes 1 and 2, you cleared the clutter and spoke your intentions into being. Now, we're giving those intentions color, texture, and life, because nothing arrives in your world until it first arrives in your mind's eye. Visualization isn't mere daydreaming. It's the precise blueprint for your future. So, find your quiet corner, dim the lights, light a candle if you like, breathe in deeply, and let's see your tomorrow today. This is episode 3, Visualize like a Victor. Let's begin. Why visualization works. Visualization isn't a new fad. It's a timeless practice rooted in the heart of manifestation and self-improvement. Shakti Gawain, in creative visualization, reminds us that every success story began as a clear picture in someone's mind and then became reality through inspired action. Imagine you're an architect. Your subconscious mind is the builder. Hand it a rough sketch, and you get a rough structure. Hand it a detailed blueprint, and you get a masterpiece. Modern neuroscience backs this up. When you vividly imagine an event, say, delivering a winning presentation, your brain lights up the same pathways as if you were actually standing on that stage. Practicing in your mind trains your neural network, making the real thing feel familiar, even effortless. Einstein said it best. Your imagination is the preview of life's coming attractions. And today's psychologists agree. Mental rehearsal boosts confidence, sharpens focus, and readies you for action. Let's connect this to the law of attraction. In its essence, the law of attraction teaches that like attracts like. Your thoughts and emotions send out vibrations. The universe responds in kind. But to send a clear signal, you need a clear vision. So when you visualize, you're not escaping reality. You're pre-experiencing your goals. You're flooding your subconscious with sensory-rich images and priming it to spot opportunities aligned with your vision. That's why visualization is a cornerstone of any self-improvement journey. Because before you can attract what you desire, you must first believe, deep in your bones, that it exists. Now that you understand why it works, let's learn how to do it with precision. Up next, our 3-step visualization method. The 3-step visualization method. In this section, you'll learn a simple, powerful process to bring your dreams into focus. Step 1, set the scene. Before your mind can paint a masterpiece, you need the right environment. Find a quiet corner, your cozy reading nook, a soft cushion on the floor, or even your bed. Dim the lights, light a candle or two, play gentle ambient music at a whisper. Close your eyes, take 3 deep breaths. Inhale peace, exhale distraction. This moment is your canvas. Step 2, visualize your ideal moment now. Choose one powerful scene from your desired future. Don't scatter your energy across 10 goals. Pick one. Perhaps you're signing the contract for your dream home, or hearing applause as you step off a stage. Imagine every detail. What do you see? The color of the walls, the pattern on the carpet. What do you hear? Your own voice, confident. The soft click of a door. What do you smell? Fresh paint, brewed coffee in the background. What do you feel? the smooth pen in your hand, your heart steady with pride. Step 3, feel it deeply. Here's where many people stumble. They visualize with sight, but forget emotion. Emotion is the fuel of manifestation and the key to activating the law of attraction. So, let the feeling rise. Joy, gratitude, confidence. Let it wash over you. Loop the scene for 3 to 5 minutes. If your mind wanders, gently guide it back to that feeling. There's no right or wrong, only feeling. When you practice this daily, you're rewiring your subconscious. You're training your brain to expect success, and you'll start to notice subtle signs, opportunities, connections, moments of synchronicity. This 3-step method is your personal blueprint, a bridge between intention and reality. Next up, we'll guide you through a live 2-minute visualization. Stay with me. Now, let's step into your vision. Find a comfortable seat or lie down. Allow your hands to rest gently in your lap or by your sides. Close your eyes. Take a slow, deep breath in and exhale any tension. With your next inhale, imagine drawing in calm. And as you breathe out, release doubt. Picture yourself standing at the threshold of your dream. Perhaps you're opening the door to your new home. Feel the smooth handle beneath your fingertips. Hear the soft click as it turns. Step through. Notice the light spilling in. See the colors around you, vivid and warm. Perhaps a soft breeze brushes your skin. Now, turn toward what matters most. See the symbol of your success. A stack of signed contracts, a trophy on a shelf, an applauding audience. Focus on your heart. Feel the swell of gratitude, the pulse of excitement. Let joy rise from your core. Breathe that feeling in and out. With each breath, imagine that energy expanding, filling every part of you. Know that this moment is already yours. You're rehearsing reality, programming your subconscious, aligning with the law of attraction. As our 2 minutes come to a close, begin to bring your awareness back. Wiggle your fingers and toes. Gently open your eyes. Carry this feeling forward and watch how your world begins to match your vision. Integration and daily practice. You've unlocked the power of visualization. Now it's time to make it a daily ritual. Choose your moment, morning stillness or evening calm. Commit just 5 minutes each day. In your preferred space, revisit the intention statement from episode 2. Speak it aloud once, then close your eyes and step into your scene. Words and images alone are good, but when you layer in emotion, you send a clear signal to the law of attraction. Keep a simple log. Date, your chosen scene, the primary emotion you felt. Over time, you'll notice patterns, tiny wins, unexpected connections, synchronicities aligning with your vision. These are your micro miracles. Celebrate them. They're proof your subconscious blueprint is working. Life won't always be quiet. Distractions will come. When they do, simply return to your ritual, reset your environment, breathe deeply, and visualize again. This daily practice rewires your brain for success. It trains you to recognize opportunities that match your vision. So each day, set the scene, visualize your moment, Feel it deeply, then carry that energy into inspired action. Momentum builds with every breath you take in alignment with your dream. And that's how vision becomes reality. Up next, a community call to action to share your journey and amplify our collective power. Stay with me. Let's continue. It's time to bring your vision into the world. Screenshot or save an image that captures your ideal scene. Set it as your wallpaper or print it on a card. Then share it with our community. Post on Instagram with hashtag SuenyoVision and tag at Suenyo Reads. When you share your vision, you reinforce your belief, and you inspire someone else on their path of manifestation and self-improvement. Remember, the law of attraction responds to clarity and emotion. So every time you see your scene, feel the excitement and gratitude all over again. Next week, we'll dive into episode 4, Affirmation Alchemy, where we transform your words into the reality you crave. Until then, keep visualizing, keep believing, and don't just dream it, live it. Drift into knowledge. Wake up inspired.